How to fix the Odnoklassniki App unavailable issue in Wix App Market. To address the issue in this video guide, you may create a button in Odnoklassniki and embed the code, and you will need to follow these steps. 1. Create a button design. You can use a photo editing software like Adobe Photoshop or GIMP to create a button design. Your button design should be clear and easy to understand. 2. Upload your button design to a hosting service. You can use a free hosting service like Imager to upload your button design. 3. Get the image URL. Once your button design is uploaded, you will need to get the image URL. This is the URL that you will use to embed the button on your Odnoklassniki page. 4. Create a new Odnoklassniki post. Go to Odnoklassniki and create a new post. 5. Embed the button code. In the post editor, paste the following code: HTML frame src equals https://ok.ru/dk, stcmd equals add like and rep equals url underscore of underscore your underscore button underscore design width equals 200 height equals 30 frame order equals 0 scrolling equals no slash a frame replace url underscore of underscore your underscore button underscore design with the image URL of your button design. 6. Publish your post. Click the publish button to publish your post. Your Odnoklassniki button will now be embedded in your post. People can click on the button to like your post. Here are some additional tips for creating and embedding Odnoklassniki buttons. *, keep your button design simple and easy to understand. *, use high quality images for your button design. *, make sure your button design is relevant to your post. *, place your button in a prominent location in your post.